these cars going up and down the road. Hopefully they loved it. Can't wait to see what their impression is. Hey, what's up everybody? Brent for Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. I am pumped for today. I knew this day was coming. I have two Gt350s that came in from New York that we installed Whipple Superchargers on. We're gonna dyno both these cars. You're gonna see the power. But both of these 350s are buddies. They both got billet oil pump gears, headers, cooling mods, and of course, the Gen 3 Whipple. Come check this out. This has the red paint to match Whipple Supercharger on it right here. It looks great on this car. And the next one over here, this is our custom paint match. So this is body color, OE paint right here. Look at this. This thing looks awesome. So what I'm gonna do right now is we're gonna pull one of these cars in the dyno. We're gonna dyno it, you're gonna watch that. We're gonna pull the other one in. I don't know who the winner's gonna be. One of these guys are gonna drive home being the winner today because no two cars are always gonna make the same power normally, but I don't know what to do first. I'm gonna flip a coin. Have Doug here. What do you think? Heads, tails?
Heads.
Heads. Head. If it's heads, which car gets to go first?
Blue.
Blue car first. There you go. Check it out. What is it? Oh, it's tails. This one's going in first right here. So I'm gonna shut this down. I'm gonna pull in the dyno. We're gonna watch a couple pulls. I'll show you the graphs. We'll talk all about it. All right, I saw the numbers. I'm gonna show you the numbers in a minute. I'm gonna get that blue car in here, make a pull. The competition's on. I'm gonna send these owners out, have them take a test drive, and have them come back. We'll get their impression on what they think about this package. Time to go get the blue car. The results are in. I actually data log these runs, but check this out. So the first car, the red car, 763 to the tires, SAE, 510 torque. The second car, the blue Gt350, 788 rear wheel horsepower, Doug, 540 torque. And both these cars, torques across the board. But hey, so some of you may be thinking like, why is one more than the other? They have the same mods, all right? Well, here's the deal. They both have Cook's headers, free-flowing exhaust. They both have the Whipple, but I logged the runs, and on the blue car, the NOx sensors were a little bit more happy with the fuel that was in the car. I believe that car had a little bit more fresh fuel because we actually just put gas in it, and it ran about 1 to 1.5 degrees more timing, which exactly explains why one made a little bit more than the other. But on the same day, same fuel, these cars will pretty much come out exactly the same. Like I said earlier, it's not gonna be the exact same horsepower on a dyno. It doesn't necessarily work that way. It's gonna be close, but these are close. And the good thing about data logging is you can see exactly why the numbers are what they are. So I think that's really cool. 1763, 1788, these are gonna be wicked cars. These guys actually do road racing, so they're gonna be really fast at the track. But I have them out right now driving. They're cruising. They're gonna come in. I think, Doug, what we're gonna do right now is go out, wait for them to come back. I wanna see like what a guy thinks about when you have a stock Gt350 and then you jump to, 750 plus, 1763, 1788 real horsepower, like what do you think? Over 500 foot-pounds of torque across the board. Let's go check it out. Okay, these guys, they're coming in hot. Check this out. I think they like it. This is awesome. going first cars going up and down the road. Hopefully they loved it. Can't wait to see what their impression is. Okay, I heard you guys all the way up and down the highway. What do you think?
Amazing.
Is it cool?
Beyond.
Beyond cool?
Beyond cool.
What do you think?
Night and day difference.
All right, come on, guys. You see this on here, Doug?
Yep.
So I remember the first time I drove a Gt350 stock. It's a really cool car. And then I drove the Whipple and I'm like, ridiculous. So that's why I love like talking to people like you that get to do it for the first time. So when you went out, I heard you. Torque, what do you think? There?
Oh, it definitely is.
Good?
It's night and day. It's like it's a totally different car all the way around.
What about just driving down the road? Cool?
Oh yeah. Yep, drives just like it did before, except a ton more power.
What do you think about the way it pulls all the way through Redline? You think it's good?
It's amazing. I think I have to get different tires though.
Yeah, I heard you guys, and I was listening, and I'm like, you know, I'm pretty sure the old through Redline. I mean, I heard tires going down there, so.
Third gear, she was lighting them up.
But drives awesome, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So cool, man. And now, do both of you guys road race, or one of you, or both of you road racers? Imagine that coming out of the corner.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tires.
The tires.
You guys getting
Tires.
We have the wires back here. What do you guys think? You're
Awesome.
smiling. Cool.
Totally worth it.
All right. Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, hey, I'm Brent from
Like-
Brenspeed. If you have a question, please leave a comment. Of course, like always, I'm happy to answer. But two wicked Gt350s, Whipples, and I want to show you guys a first impression of what you think going from a stock car to a supercharged car with a bunch of other mods. And that's it for today, man. Thanks for watching.